ton of fun packages right here that were gifted in PR. This one is only one product that I did purchase. It's the Ipsy. So we're gonna start off with the Ipsy. So this is the Ipsy Extra box, and you get to choose like 2 to 3 items each month. So yeah, it comes with a little pamphlet kind of thing. It says do less, glow more, and then it just shows you like the March info and all the stuff. Here is the new Co-Barrier Clear Treatment. I am going to put this in my giveaway box. I do not need that. I have so much skincare. Next product, I chose this one. This is the Bare Minerals Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Strength. I cannot wait to try this. So this is the Chica Beauty Dual Gel Eyeliner. It's a shimmer and a matte. La Playa, the beach. So one side is shimmer and one side is matte. So excited to try that out. I can't read that, but it's a Silk Peptide Blush in the shade... I just didn't see the shade name. I'm gonna do a whole separate video of me trying on the products. It was the Supreme Nudes Artist Couture eyeshadow palette. So that is everything I got in my Ipsy Extra. I did pay for this, so this was not gifted or PR. I did apply to be an ambassador. Still yet to receive an email, but I hope so. We'll see. I received this through Skeepers, and it's the color I will be adding to my hair. So this is by the same brand, Xmondo color, and it's super red. I thought I would do money pieces and not all of my hair, so we'll see. I'm excited about that. So thankful for this, and thankful for that brand to send me other products before. I really do love this brand. Next thing I got was from Moira Cosmetics. I applied to be a part of their PR. Like, they accepted me, I guess, so that's exciting. They sent me some fun products to try out and a little note card. And it says Moira, and then it says, you're on our PR list for a reason. Love Supernova, share your look, post your Supernova content on TikTok, and then use hashtags, all the things. And it says I could win a $100 gift card from Moira. And I've always seen them all over the internet, and I've always wanted to try their products, and I'm finally on their PR team. I mean, their PR list. So that's freaking awesome. I think these are new by them. So excited to try these. These are Supernova Multi-Chrome Gel Liners. They're waterproof and up to 12 hours. And they sent me 3 different shades. So the first shade is 02 Chroma, and 008 Zora, and 009 Buzz. I will be doing a separate video on this. I'm so excited to try these out. Thank you, Tamara, for sending these to me.